Believe me, people, I have clothes. I have plenty clothes. I guess she said she's wearing that dress again. No, actually, I filmed this video after I had gotten through assembling the vegetable shelf, and now it's time for me to cook dinner. So I'm making bully beef and cabbage over rice. This is one of my favorite dishes growing up in Jamaica. It's canned corned beef, and in Jamaica they call it bully beef. But what I'm going to do is I'm cutting up all this cabbage, but half is going to be with Hillshire turkey sausage, and the other half is going to be with the corned beef. What I'm going to do is chop up all my vegetables, which consists of the cabbage, of course, bell pepper, green onion, and garlic. I'm not going to use any seasoning, any spices, because that bully beef is salty enough. You don't need anything else in there. Trust me. As you can see, I have 2 skillets set up on the stove. And now what I'm going to do here, as you can see, I'm adding the vegetables in. I'm sauteing them in both skillets with olive oil. And once they're sauteed, I'll add the meats later. As I said, one is the bully beef, corned beef, and the other one is the Hillshire turkey sausage. The one with the Hillshire turkey sausage, I'm mixing that in with the vegetables. I'm sauteing them together. And then I'll add the cabbage. And as far as the bully beef, I'm just sauteing the vegetables. Then I'm going to add the cabbage, and then I would add the bully beef or the corned beef in last. I haven't seasoned it up or anything, because the bully beef is seasoned enough. Okay, I'm going to turn it down low. Usually I put broth in the chicken broth, but I'm not going to do anything. I'm going to turn this fire down on low and forget about it. This one I have to add my corned beef in a bit. Right now I want to get the rice started. I put in 3 cups of jasmine rice. I mean, I cook rice the old-fashioned way, but I can cook the rice old-fashioned way like my daddy taught me. But I don't want to have to wash it, so I just use the rice cooker. Time for me to add the corned beef. Chop it up, mix it up in with the cabbage and the vegetables. And right now it's actually seasoning everything as well. So like I said, I don't need any spices whatsoever. I could add some thyme to it if I wanted to, but no salt, no types of sodium. And then okay, stir this up and let that cook down. And this is the belly beef and rice and cabbage. The only thing is missing is my plantain. And I was going to get some Maduras, but I forgot to get it at the store. And they did not have Grace corned beef. That's the one I normally use. It's hard to find down here where I'm at. So I got Libby's instead.